How's it going, everybody? It's been a long day, everybody. Welcome to another video. So transmission is all wrapped up. Got everything back on it. I put that part of the motor mount in there, or the transmission mount. I'm actually right now working on the rear mount. This front one is gonna go on when everything is getting put back on the car. This is the old one. It wasn't too bad. It looks like 2 of them have been replaced already and 2 hadn't. It looks like those 2 had been replaced, that back one and this one. But this one and this one were really bad. They were completely broken. So that's it for the motor mounts. And then right now, I'm gonna take off this clutch. I don't know, I guess I'll get the flywheel stuck somehow so it won't spin too much. But I think I've already talked too much. I'll just check in with you guys when I'm ready to start taking off this old clutch. Right, so I don't think I'm gonna record too much. Pretty straightforward. Take off these bolts all around. Take it off and then put in the new clutch. This is pretty straightforward, like I said. I only have about 3 minutes of recording time on this SIM card. I forgot to empty it. So I'm gonna take these off camera and then I'll check in when everything is bare. Clutch is off. Flywheel don't look too bad. Just gonna clean it. Clutch. Yeah, it was slipping pretty bad. Garbage pile. So this is a clutch X-City. Got it from Amazon, Osaka, Japan. Clutch alignment tool. It does have the pilot bearing. Dang. I didn't want to take off the flywheel because, man, it's gonna kill me to take that off. So the clutch disc. Nice. Clutch plate. And the throttle out bearing. I'm gonna decide what to do with this bearing. Hopefully, let's see, I don't know. I might not put this on. I know you should, but I don't know. All right. No, hombre.
¿No quieres?
Pedazo de caca. The box says 200 and something foot-pounds of torque, but I think it's bull. Yeah, this is going back. In case that thing was a piece of junk, I'm gonna do the old school way. I don't even know if it's old school. I'm just making up. Dale. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, so that's way too much movement of the whole thing, and it's not very stable, as you can see. And there's not very many places to stop the thing, the flywheel, from turning. So I saw on Google and YouTube that if you stuff wet napkins in there, it'll eventually push it out. So I guess I'm gonna try that. They say stuff it in there.
Like, super soaked or nomás?
Yeah, super soaked.
Whoa!
And you keep stuffing them in there. And I guess the water pressure or whatever is in there pushes it out. So let's give it a whirl.
Choose a red roller too.
What do you mean?
A few moments later.
I got this thing off. That one doesn't look too bad, huh?
Just sand it a little bit. Some sandpaper, remove the oxidation. Agarra un dado que esté más grande, ¿no?
A ver, cheque cómo se siente compared to this one. Sí, sí. ¿Verdad?
Oh yeah, definitely. Okay. That's the whole. Clean your hole.
Because we did some of the work off camera. We got the new clutch in, the new pilot bearing first of all, and then the clutch, pressure plate. Everything over here is ready to go. The clutch fork, everything's greased up. Everything is put back together. So right now we're gonna throw this thing on there. And now I got some help. So I know I'm not gonna drop it anymore. But let's see how that goes.
Déjale para arriba para que se.
Un poquito para arriba, ¿eh?
Dale, púchalo para adentro. We need to push it closer that way. The jack. As close as you can to the rim.
That way?
Yeah. Right there. Go up in the transmission.
Está agarrando el dip.
Yeah.
La concha.
Got it. Right there.
Ahí está. It's on top of the rim now.
Dale. Now push it in more. Push it in.
Huh?
Push it in.
Ahí va para adentro.
Yeah.
Primero. Perfecto. Le voy a dar hasta que no se pueda el jack, ¿eh? It has to just it has to turn towards me, like así. Espérate. Ahí está. I got it.
Don't worry.
Así nomás.
Ahí está el perrillo. Right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Que va acá. Para que tenga un poquito más soporte. ¿Es otro palo? ¿Es otro palo?
¿Cuál palo?
No, espérate.
Creo que sí entró.
Pero no, it's not gonna be how to video, so more of a look at this process video.
Look at this.
Somebody look at this. Alright, got everything up here. Motor mount mocked up back there. Next thing up is gonna be the subframe. I'll put it right.
Yeah.
I'll hold the front. Ouch.
Y luego la
Más para arriba.
the jack.
It needs to go like this.
What are you trying to put on?
El little guide bolt.
Yeah, mine too.
Right. Necesita más por arriba el jack.
Dale pa' jack.
Ah, fregado, ya ni lo está tocando. Ahí va para allá el jack,
Right there. Dale, arriba. Right there.
Y el otro guide.
Right there.
Quita esto ya.
Yeah.
Watch it with your. Goes much faster when there's more hands. Alright, transmission's in. Bell housing bolts are torqued down. All motor mounts are on. This one still needs some torquing down. So now I'm gonna start putting everything back on the top. Shifter, little brackets that go up in here. Put the slave cylinder back where it goes. And then after that, axles. And I think we'll be done with the bottom. And then we can actually start lowering a little bit so we can get to the head gasket.
Many hours later.
Alright, so I think we got the transmission pretty much wrapped up. Slave cylinder bracket is on there. Yeah, we checked the gears. The clutch feels pretty good. Got the slave cylinder back on. Shifter, all that crap that goes up here. I guess as we go, we'll figure out where these went. These little like this connection right here, and then other little things. But I guess the next big thing is the actual head gasket and the head. But that's gonna be it for this video. The next video is gonna be on the head and the rest of the stuff up here. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want. Drop a video a like. Thanks to my brother for all the help. This would have taken me way longer, but he came over and we got this thing up there without dropping it this time. So cool. See you guys next time.